Okay. It's okay, Kuya. Kuya Rodriguez. Do you abide the law of the government? Are you willing to be part of the Philippine Union? Thank you. What about Kuya Abon? Do you abide the law in the Magna Carta?
Yes, Kuya.
Are you willing to be part of the Philippine Eagles?
Yes, Kuya.
Thank you. Sir Mitch, do you abide the law in the Magna Carta?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to be part of our organization, the Hotel of Vegas?
Yes, I am.
Thank you very much. When we are done, we are ready for the induction.
Please all stand.
Ate Maymay.
Ate dito. Hawak lang po yung magnanata natin. Ate. Yung left cam. Tapos back.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Eagle state your name,
Eagle Mill.
have been duly be a regular member of Heat Bahrain Police Club,
Having been duly
regular member of Heat Bahrain Police Club,
Heat Bahrain Noble Eagles Club,
a club affiliated
a club affiliated
to the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles,
Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles,
subscribing to
to
the Eagles Magna Carta
the Eagles Magna Carta
of the Philippine Eagles,
of the Philippine Eagles,
and
believing
in its capabilities
in its capabilities
as a self-reliant,
as self-reliant,
first Philippine-born,
first Philippine-born,
fraternal social civic organization,
fraternal social civic organization,
and the capabilities of my club
and the capabilities of my
to
club
carry and pursue ideas
to carry, pursue ideas
of the Philippine Eagles,
of Philippine Eagles,
do hereby solemnly make oath
do hereby solemnly make
that
oath
I shall defend
that I shall defend
and uphold
and uphold
at all times
at all times
said Eagles Magna Carta,
said Eagles Magna Carta,
as well as all laws,
as well as our laws,
rules and regulations
rules and regulations
duly promulgated
duly promulgated
by the Philippine Eagles,
by the Philippine Eagles,
and I shall consciously uphold
consciously
at
uphold
all times
at all times
the Eagles' delicadeza
the Eagles'
and
delicate
moral code of ethics
and moral conduct
as the ultimate measure
as the ultimate
of my
measure
conduct
of my conduct
and judgment
and judgment
relative to my dealings
relative to my
with
duties
national fraternity,
with national
with
fraternity,
love,
with love,
and with my fellow Eagles.
and with fellow Eagles.
So help me God.
So help me.
Congratulations and welcome to the fraternal Eagles.
Pining. Kanina na pala ito. Sa inyo na po ito. Magkakarta po.
Kung makasama ko pa sila no?
taginan ako kay mga awit magay ka. Lingkod lang gud panagsa lingkod. Ha? Magkubal nang sige kumusta?
Daog lagi ka.
Lagi, daw ka, senador. Oo na ka, kuya. Uy, guliari kayo mo kumusta ta? Ate May. Diba ba yan? Congrats and welcome.
Go, go, go.
Congrats po and welcome. Congrats po and welcome po. Congratulations sa ating lahat.
Puntahan natin ang kuwan.
Yes.
Lagi yung birthday niya. Lagi.
Party nila sa Karong Friday na yun.
Tableto
Ano ba?
tabletong may.
Friday ko na, bitahon ako na punta sa ilang party. Ilang kuya buon abon. David.
Alnads Majuper.
Asa na ma?
Dili na dito.
Yan na kay Dol-Dol na. Pwede na mag-hike.
Nang ilaha pa BD.
Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila! Ako naman ang kasi inyo.
Yahay no.
Paniod pa panihapon.
Sige, bayad ni.
Iimbitar na ako para sa Friday, oh.
Sige. Kanina ibibigay bayad.
Let's
Ito na
now
siguro.
come to the next part.
Ay, inga man siya, di ba? Nga sa iyaan na daw.
Hold your glass with water, soft drinks, or wine.
Si Ate Vance na.
Dalawa kayo? Dalawa.
Masabi ni Ate Vance.
Dalawa
Kami
kayo
na
ba
mag-
kaya di ba?
Oo, sige. Sekretary.
Please
Sekretary.
rise, hold your glass. And may I call on Kuya Nino for eagle toss?
Ano na pagunit? Eh, di mo ko ba? Na. Panglugpit din eh, panglugpit. Tagay bay. Tus.
Oh.
Charter President for the
Kabuang
success
ginato niya eh.
of chartering and newly induction of officers of Tindig and here at Eagle Towers is proposed.
Cheers! Mabuhay ang agila. Cheers! Cheers! Dok-dok pa naman buwak. Mahal yung alcohol. Dito, as yung alcohol dahil. Ano naman dito siya? Layo pa gani. Sa kanyang pasya na. Hindi man kayo bahon ng 13.
Mabuhay ang Agila! Congratulations for the success of this event.
Mabuhay ang agila. Yehe, wa pag-inom.
Buhay ang tagay. Buhay ang tagay.
Please have a seat. May I call on our newly elected Board of Trustees, Kuya Emil Sampona, for the closing remark.
tara di ito buhayin dahil ito.
For our closing remark,
Pwede
may I call on Eagle Noel Parohino Redolia.
Nagay ginoo ko gihago-hago mga tawanan ninyo. Wa man nakaandam sa kuya.
Ginula. Ha? Kamot siya sa uloan.
Ne.
Good evening, mga kuya, ate at bunso. Atin pong pasasalamatan at naging successful ang ating
Ano dahil?
event ngayon sa ating chartering sa
Repair.
HID, Barangay Noble Eagles Club
Lagi tinubig
at
ako.
saka sa induction ng Barangay Noble Lady Eagles Club.
Warm up ito.
Tayo po ay naway magpatuloy na ating pong itaguyod ang ating samahan at ating mission sa pagtulong sa ating kapwa, lalo na sa ating bansa. Sabi nga ni Kuya Iti, tulong, tulong, at tulong. So marami pong salamat sa bawat isa. Mabuhay ang Agila!
We are now come to the adjournment of our event. May I call on Lady Eagle Evangeline Mo. Please all stand for the exit of our colors. Okay. Exit of colors. We are now come to the adjournment of our event. May I call on Lady Eagle Evangeline Mo for the adjournment.